I am going to show you here how I like to use EdPuzzle for my classes. First of all, you're going to log in as teacher and log in with Google. And if you are logged into my PLSD account, it will automatically open up for you. A couple of things to look at up here in the front. The Content tab, you can go to My Content, which are the videos that I've chosen. You can go to EdPuzzle and search their videos. Click on the eye, and then you can see the video. You can copy and edit. So tools here that you have are the crop video, where you slide the red thingies in and it will crop whatever you want. I've never done the voiceover or the audio notes. For the quizzes, For the quizzes, what you can do is click on quizzes and you get this green box down here. You can either click that and it will give you a choice of open-ended, a multiple choice, or you can leave a comment for your students. Or you can take one of the questions that they have already in them, some of them have, and you can edit or you can delete the questions like you want. It allows for quite a bit of control over what you want. So let's just finish that. I'm not going to save any of that. So I'm going back to my content. This is my content. So if I wanted to assign a video to my classes, I would go to the watch. Again, we're back to this one. Go down here, assign. This is for advanced science, assign. Now this puts it in EdPuzzle, it doesn't put it in the gradebook. I'm sorry, it doesn't put it into Classroom. So you have to go down to Share Assignment, copy the link, and then go to Classroom and create an assignment, add in the link, and Control Paste. Add the link and add the due date and add the points if you want, and that will assign it to the class. Back to EdPuzzle. Once you have assigned one, you need to go to My Classes to see what the assignments were. All of the ones that I have assigned in the lesson plans have an extended response with it. So over here it tells me that this wave characteristics video, since I have graded all of the others, 2 people have turned it in. So 2 answers to grade, I'm going to grade those. And I can either say yes, that's correct, or no, that's correct. I like this button up here, mark ungraded as correct. So if I go through and just select the ones that are not right, then I can just say that, and they're all good. Then, I don't want that. Back to my classes because I don't know how to do it. Show all 5. There's my wave characteristics. If I want the grade, I can sort them by the student's last name. I can see if they've watched it. I can see what percentage they've watched it. I can see what their score is. I usually take this as like 7.8 out of 10 points. Sometimes I record the score. Sometimes I just want to see if they've watched it or not. That is EdPuzzle. Feel free to play around with it.